Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could make your computer, PC, laptop run faster. So to do that, you want to press either the Windows sign on your keyboard plus the letter R to open the run option, or you want to press the Windows button plus the letter X to open this hidden menu. Next you want to select run, and here we are going to type %sign TMP for temporary, and again the %sign. Next you will click OK, and here you want to select everything and click delete. Once you have deleted the temporary files, you want to go back again to press the Windows sign plus the letter R, or the Windows sign plus the X letter. We'll select again run, and here we are going to type again TMP capital letter for temporary. We are going to click OK, and again you want to select everything and you want to click on delete. This wouldn't delete your current files, but it will delete only the application's temporary files and memory temporary files. Before you do that, make sure that you have closed all the applications and that you have nothing stuck like a Word file open or a PowerPoint file open. The next thing again, we'll go back to our run application and we're going to type prefetch, and we're going to click OK. Next thing, you want again to select everything and click delete, and you want to close the file once you are done. The next step, we will just go and make sure that you empty your recycle bin, because this will occupy space and it might also make your computer run slower. So you want to make sure that you empty your recycle bin. Next step, you want to open the PC shortcut, and you want to click on your local disk C, and you want with the right button of the mouse and select properties. Once done, you will go to tools and you will select optimize. You want to select your local disk C and make sure to select it, and you want to click optimize. The operation will take a few minutes or up to half an hour, and once it's completed you want to click close. Once done, you want to go back to general and you will click disk cleanup. Here we have the disk cleanup. You want to go ahead and click on cleanup system files. There is going to be a deeper scan which will go on, and it will show you all the files which you can delete. Make sure to select only the files which you want to delete, like a temporary file, an Windows update file which might occupy important space in your hard disk. For example, here you can see the Windows update cleanup. It shows 7.58 gigabit because I recently my computer downloaded the recent updates of Windows, so now I can go ahead and delete them. So you can go file by file and select those which you want to delete, and once done you can go ahead and click OK, and you can start clicking delete files by selecting delete. For now I will just abort the operation. Once you are done, you can go ahead and you can also go to the taskbar and click with the right button of the mouse and select Task Manager. Next thing, you want to click on More Details and you want to go to Startup. Here we are going to select every software which doesn't need to be starting when your computer turns on. For me, for example, I don't need Internet Download Manager to start when my computer is just turned on. So we are just clicking on the right button of the mouse and selecting Disable. You can do it like this way, or you can just click on the application and click here on disable on the right in the bottom. Once done, you can close the task manager and you can go ahead and restart your computer, and this should make your computer faster and more optimized. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.